if you're experiencing FPS drops in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help unlock smoother gameplay. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum or recommended system requirements for Overwatch 2. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and operating system to confirm they are adequate for optimal performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Keeping your drivers up to date can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Overwatch 2 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and disable VSync. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve FPS. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume valuable system resources and lead to FPS drops. Step 5. Optimize game files. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, ensuring that the game runs smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce FPS drops and enjoy a more stable gaming experience in Overwatch 2. Happy gaming!